Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We have another short story for you today. In this story, we're gonna practice with the verb to be, am, is, are, especially with she is and they are. And we're gonna practice with vocabulary as well. There is some nice vocabulary in this story. So pay attention, try to understand what's going on. Remember, you don't have to be perfect. You don't have to understand everything, but pay attention and try. Let's go. I am Felipe and I'm gonna tell you a story. So this is Jane. She's an English teacher. She's 30 years old. She's from England, so she's British, and she's happy with her life. She's positive about her future. She is a teacher because she loves to teach. She is passionate about her job. She's not just a teacher, she is a friend to her students. She's always there to help them. She's proud of her job. Her favorite color is blue. Blue is the color of the sky and the sea. It is a calm and peaceful color. She's always happy when she sees the color blue. What about you? What is your favorite color? She also loves green. Green is the color of nature. It is the color of trees and grass. She is relaxed when she sees the color green. Her favorite kind of weather is sunny. She is happy when the sun is shining. I like sunny days as well. That's easy. She's energetic and active on sunny days. She's not a big fan of rainy days. She's a little sad when it rains. But she's okay with it because rain is important for nature. So with the weather, she loves sunny days. She doesn't like rainy days too much. She is grateful for her life. She's thankful for her job, her students, and everything she has. She's a very positive person. She's looking forward to the future. She's excited about what's to come. She's Jane, an English teacher, a lover of blue and green, a fan of sunny weather, a positive person. That is Jane. That is her life. Now let me tell you about her parents. Her mother's name is Mary and her father's name is John. So her mother's Mary, her father is John. They are both 60 years old. They are also from England, so they are British, like Jane. Her mother is a nurse. She's kind and caring. She's always helping others. And her father is a mechanic. He's hardworking and patient. He's good at fixing things. They are both retired now, so they are not working anymore. They are enjoying their free time. They are often busy with their hobbies. Her mother loves gardening. She's happy when she's in her garden. Her father loves fishing. He's relaxed when he's by the river. They are a close family. They are always there for each other. They are happy when they are together, and they are proud of each other. So that is Jane's family. Her parents, Mary and John, and Jane. 3 people. They are a British family. They are happy and they love each other. There you go, guys. So a short story. Check the description of the video. There is a file with the text, so you can download it, you can print it, so you can read the story at home, guys, okay? There is also a table with the most important vocabulary from the story. You can also download it, print it, translate the vocabulary to your language so you can learn new words. Yes, remember guys, to practice your English every day. On the description of the video, you will also find extra activities, links to different websites where you can practice listening and reading, where you can practice grammar. There is an exercise where you can practice the verb to be, completing sentences. So please check the extra activities on the description of the video, okay? This story was created with the help of artificial intelligence, Copilot, which is the artificial intelligence for Microsoft. You can also find the link on the description of the video. Check it out. And that's it for today, guys. Okay, thank you very much for coming. Thank you for your time. Please remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, because every week we're gonna bring more videos to you. Especially if you are a beginner level student, elementary level student, pre-intermediate, yeah, so a basic level of English, these videos are for you. Thank you very much. Bye bye. See you on the next video.